Are you planning to travel to Dubai in 2025? Then you need to watch this video. Every year, thousands of Dubai visa applications are delayed or rejected because of simple visa mistakes that could have been avoided. In this video, we will reveal the 5 biggest Dubai visa mistakes people make and how to avoid them. One of the top reasons for visa rejection is low quality and unclear documents. Many applicants upload copies of blurry passport, blurry photos, and low-quality PDF documents. Always upload clear, full-color scans of your passport and photo with a white background. Also, never upload unsupported file types or oversized files. This is the easiest way to get your application rejected. Use JPG or PDF formats only. Make sure each file is under 4 megabits and clearly labeled. Convert Word documents to PDF files when instructed. Follow the instructions you receive carefully in order to have your visa application approved fast. I will include a link to a website you can use to resize your photos and documents in the description section of this video. The second mistake is applying with incomplete or incorrect documents. In 2025, UAE immigration rules are strict. If your passport has less than 6 months validity, your Dubai visa application will be automatically rejected. Imagine paying $300 in fees only to be denied for this simple oversight. Always check that your passport is valid for at least 6 months, and ensure you upload all the required documents, such as travel insurance, return flight bookings, and proof of hotel accommodation. Missing even one document is one of the fastest ways to get your Dubai tourist visa rejected. The third mistake is applying for the wrong type of Dubai visa. A Dubai tourist visa is not the same as a Dubai business visa or a Dubai employment visa. Choosing the correct visa type ensures your application gets approved fast. No delays. It also saves you money and time so that you don't have to apply and go through the process again. Another mistake people make when applying for a Dubai visa is not checking whether you need a Dubai multiple entry tourist visa, a short-term visa, or a long-term residence visa before applying. Multiple entry visa allows you to leave Dubai and re-enter within a short period. This is different from a long-term residence visa, which means you intend on being in Dubai long-term. It's crucial to apply for the right visa in order to be approved. The fourth mistake is applying through unverified visa agents or websites. The official UAE portals make it easy and simple to apply for your visa. All you need to do is follow the instructions and attach the correct documents. Be careful of fake agencies and scammers who promise cheap Dubai visas and guaranteed approvals, but end up stealing your money. In 2025, the safest way to apply for a Dubai visa is through the official UAE government website or a travel agency licensed by Dubai Immigration. If you choose to use an agency, always verify that the agency is authorized before submitting your Dubai visa application. The fifth mistake is providing false or inconsistent information. Many people think exaggerating their job title or bank balance will increase approval chances, but in 2025, Dubai uses advanced digital verification systems that cross-check your details. For instance, if your bank statement shows only $2,000 in savings but your employment letter claims a $5,000 monthly income, your application may be flagged as fraudulent and rejected. Honesty is key to getting your Dubai visa approved without issues. Finally, overlooking travel insurance. Travel insurance is not always necessary, but is very much recommended and sometimes compulsory, especially for longer stays. Some applicants ignore this step without realizing that it may have effects in their application or when dealing with emergencies while on the move. Always check if your visa category needs you to have travel insurance and provide proof if necessary. Check out the description section for an affordable travel insurance option you can use for your trip. Dubai is known for its rapid economic development and luxurious lifestyle. Dubai attracts tourists and professionals from around the globe seeking exciting opportunities. However, securing a visa in Dubai involves meticulous planning and precision. A minor error can lead to significant delays or even denial of the visa. Therefore, we want to ensure you are aware of the common pitfalls to avoid during the application process, to ensure a smooth transition to your visit or stay in this vibrant city. Your visa can be approved in as little as 3 days if you follow these steps and avoid these mistakes. So to recap, the top 5 Dubai visa mistakes to avoid in 2025 are incomplete documents, choosing the wrong visa type, low-quality format, providing false information, and using unverified agents. Each of these mistakes can cost you money, delay your trip, or even result in a Dubai visa ban. If you found this Dubai visa guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are planning to apply for a Dubai visa in 2025. And in the comments, let me know what type of Dubai visa you are applying for. I'll respond to every comment. See you in the next video.